Have we turned a corner?
I think we have. I think if you take a look at where we had the health concerns, we're going on more than 3 years since the E. coli outbreak, and I think it's the more distance we put behind it, I think, and with the new CEO, Brian Niccol, actually we're getting close to a year since he started at the company, we're really seeing some tangible efforts that are resulting in what we see 6.1% comp gain, better than expected, and it's really being driven by what we see are 4 different factors. Those being digital sales, those being off-premise sales increasing, changes in the menu, like you mentioned just now about the lifestyle bowls, like that cater more toward
lifestyle bowls. Andy.
Sorry, thanks.
And also, what we see emerging later this year, perhaps a loyalty program. So I think with those 4 sales levers, I think we could see some sustained comp growth.
For digital sales, that was driven by a partnership with DoorDash. Right, and then some other online delivery services. But in terms of like the real benefits that a Domino's has seen in terms of investing in technology, in lowering labor costs.
That's right.
Will we see that as well?
We'll see that too, and we've seen that in the last few years also with Panera Bread before they were taken private. Right now Panera generates 1/3 of their sales from digital, those not just online but also mobile sales, and Chipotle right now at 13% of sales. So there's definitely upside to that, and that's growing about 1 to 2% per quarter. So there's still some upside.
When you look at the share price and the quarterly earnings, how good a job has Niccol done over the last year, and in particular, what's the sort of you point to as the top execution?
Well, I would say at this point that the key thing we were looking at was the guidance for 2019, and they came in right where we were expecting, as up mid-single digits, and I think that's part of the reason why we're seeing a nice pop in the stock.
And that upside, though, is going to be a function going forward of what? Meaning, is there some new?
Well, I would say this is a continuation of trying to build on the digital sales layers, but also we're going to see a new loyalty program, likely middle of 2019, and that will try to bring back not just the recurring users, but also a few of the lighter users, and some of the ones that have lapsed.
Literally in 5 minutes, we're going to hear from Yum Brands, Taco Bell. Are you expecting good or bad things?
Well, I would say we don't cover Yum brand specifically, but I would say Taco Bell, I think, has been executing well, but the other, like Pizza Hut, I think still has a ways to go.